Well, we're finally coming to the end of Unit 1, and so you'll find the Unit 1 test following Lesson 1.49 and just before you come to Lesson 1.50. This unit test contains 6 parts to it. There's 6 of the elements of communication that are the most essential and that we've learned in the course of Unit 1. Part 1 involves forming questions, the ability to form a question, to ask for information from another person. The second is listening comprehension. That has to do with understanding the response that speaker gives to your questions. The third part is question response. That is to say, your ability to respond to a question that they would direct toward you. The fourth is extended discourse, and this involves a 3-minute talk in which you're going to present yourself, telling as much information about your life using the vocabulary you've learned in the course of Unit 1 as you can in a period of 3 minutes. The fifth is sentence structure. Sentence structure involving negation, for example, or question formation, pluralization, making a noun plural, how to use definite and indefinite articles, that sort of thing. These are the kind of exercises you've already done throughout the course of Unit 1. And then the sixth stage is vocabulary, simply the ability to produce a vocabulary word. These will be exclusively nouns at this point, along with the definite article that precedes the noun, as you see an image of that noun, that object on the screen. There you'll find within the 6 parts of this test, you'll find there are no preliminary exercises that prepare you to take the test. There are no links that you can click on to hear the correct answer, and there are no PowerPoint videos that provide you with the correct answers just before the screen switches. That's because now statements need to be generated by you and coming from your own thinking. This is all about you now. It's about your ability, putting all of these different six capacities together, your ability to enter into relationship with a native speaker. And it's for that very reason, the fact that, what is language learning all about? It's not ultimately about grades, and it's not ultimately about the ability to take tests such as this Unit 1 test. It's about people. It's about your ability to enter in relationship with people, to be influenced by them, to influence them, to be of assistance to them, to receive aid from them, to interact with them, to convey meaning that they need to understand, and you, vice versa, need to understand from them. It's all about relationships. And it's for that very reason, therefore, you'll notice that the unit does not end with a unit test. It ends with your third Language Pals session. And that's therefore when I'll see you next will be at the beginning of the day on which you perform the third Language Pals session. You may now go to the next step in today's activities as you prepare for the first part of the Unit 1 test. I'll see you in a few days.